Welcome to this short tutorial covering customer portal setup. Using the Joblogic customer portal allows customers to monitor jobs from any device, download certifications, job sheets and invoices, check live job statuses, and if you grant them permission, they can even log jobs too. Let's go through the steps required in order to set up your customer's portal access. Firstly, locate Settings. This is found on the left-hand panel. Here we find the Customer Portal Access area. Details of all customers we have given access to are listed here, and we can export or print this list if required. There are two options for Customer Portal Access. The customer user will have access to all sites and all jobs that are logged. The Site User option will only allow the customer to view jobs relating to one site only, which is the site you have specified during setup. Within both options, you are able to set user permissions. Let's go ahead and add a customer user. Start by clicking the green Add Customer User button. We need to add the name of the customer and their email address. Next we choose which customer's information we are going to allow them access to. So let's make sure we are careful here. Over on the right-hand side of the page is where we can set up the user's permissions. As you can see, there are several options here. We can add them by ticking each box, or we can use the Select All option, and then remove ticks from the items we want to withdraw. This may be the option to view private notes, or maybe log a job. It can be a good idea initially to start with some very basic settings such as approve or reject quotes, and build up access from that level. Once we are happy with our selections, press Save. Once we have saved the user, an email will be triggered to the address we set up, and the user status will show as pending activation. If the customer does not receive their email, we can resend using the Resend Invitation button here. Let's have a look at the mail that the customers will receive. Here we can see that the customer is invited to activate their account. They will need to set their own password once they have clicked the link. There is now a link directing them to the customer portal, and your customer can immediately start viewing all jobs. For further details regarding how to use the customer portal, please refer to our other tutorials. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. If you have any questions now that you've watched our video, please contact us via the live chat in the left-hand panel.